Hello everyone and welcome to another English video with Teacher John. In this video we will be speaking about questions. Questions. What is a question? A question is a sentence that asks something. A question begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Here's a question. What is your name? Here's another one. Do you like trees? All right, can you think of any other questions? What day is today? What food do you like? Do you like to run? Do you like English class? Did you study for your English test? These are all questions. If we are taking a test and I ask, what kind of question is this? What kind of sentence is this? All you need to do is look at the end and, oh, there's a question mark. It's a question. Oh, there's a question mark. It's a question. This is the biggest hint, the biggest clue that the sentence is a question. A question mark. Look for the question mark. Every question has a question mark. Okay, so let's get rid of those. Here are 3 questions, and each one has a mistake. So every question begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So number 1, will it eat seeds? Will it eat seeds? Does it have a capital letter? No, it doesn't. Does it have a question mark? Yes, it does. So let's rewrite the sentence correctly. Capital W, will it eat seeds? Question mark. Will it eat seeds? I think it's asking questions about this squirrel. Will it eat seeds? Yes, it will eat seeds. Squirrels love seeds. Okay. Number 2. Is the squirrel red? Is the squirrel red? Okay, does it start with a capital letter? No. Does it have a question mark? No. Oh, so this has 2 mistakes. We need to correct them. So we will type out smaller. Is the squirrel red? Question mark. Okay. We have a capital I, and it ends with a question mark. So we'll look at the picture. Is the squirrel red? No, it's black. Everything in this book is black and white, so it is not red. Okay, number 3, next question. Where does it live? Where does it live? Okay, we'll start. Does it have a capital letter? Yes, capital W. Good. Does it have a question mark? No, it doesn't. So let's add a question mark. Smaller. And where does it live? Well, that's a good question. Where does a squirrel live? I think a squirrel lives in a tree. It eats seeds, and sometimes a squirrel is red. Very good. Okay, that is our video on questions. I hope this helps you study for your test. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.